Hello, mathematicians. My voice sounds like I should be doing voice acting for villain characters in kids' TV shows. So, this will have to do. Take your lecture notes and computers out. Then, put everything else in your backpacks for the rest of the class period. No other devices should be seen, or that is an automatic failure on this exam. Log on to Google Classroom, then click on the link for the midterm exam. This exam has 17 questions. That is roughly 2.5 minutes per question. 10 minutes before the exam is over, I will post an alert on GoGuardian. 2 minutes before class is over, I will send an alert to finish the question you are on and submit your test. Even partial credit is better than no credit. If you finish your exam early, feel free to work on something for another class. If you grab your phone, make sure you are not trying to communicate with anyone taking the test. Be respectful of each other and make sure the room is silent until everyone has submitted their test. Grades. By now, I hope you have turned in everything you needed to for quarter 2. If you have not already, submit the resubmission form posted on Google Classroom to let me know which assignments you have updated. Happy calculating and have a restful holiday.